Surprising things that raise your blood pressure. You've probably heard to watch the amount of salt you eat, especially if you're concerned about your blood pressure. That's because it makes your body hold on to water, putting extra stress on your heart and blood vessels. Salt, and worry, and anger aren't the only things that can raise your blood pressure. Although temporary spikes aren't necessarily a problem, numbers that remain high over time can cause serious damage. Added sugar. It may be even more important than salt in raising your blood pressure, especially in a processed form like high-fructose corn syrup. People with more added sugars in their diet see a significant rise in both their upper and lower numbers. Just one 24-ounce soft drink causes an average 15-point bump in systolic pressure, the top number, or the pressure during a heartbeat, and 9 in diastolic, the bottom number, or the pressure between beats. Loneliness. This isn't just about the number of friends you have, it's about feeling connected. And being stressed or depressed doesn't fully explain the effect. It also gets worse with time. Over 4 years, the upper blood pressure of the loneliest people in a study went up more than 14 points. The researchers think an ongoing fear of rejection and disappointment and feeling more alert about your safety and security may change how your body works. Sleep apnea. People with sleep apnea have higher odds of getting high blood pressure and other heart problems. When your breathing is repeatedly interrupted while you're sleeping, your nervous system releases chemicals that raise your blood pressure. Plus, you're getting less oxygen, which could damage blood vessel walls and make it harder for your body to regulate your blood pressure down the road. Not enough potassium. Your kidneys need a balance of sodium and potassium to keep the right amount of fluid in your blood. So even if you're eating a low-salt diet, you could still have higher blood pressure if you're not also eating enough fruits, veggies, beans, low-fat dairy, or fish. While you may think of bananas as the go-to source, broccoli, water chestnuts, spinach, and other leafy greens are better to get potassium if you're watching your weight. Pain. Sudden, or acute, pain ramps up your nervous system and raises your blood pressure. You can see this effect when you put one hand in ice water, press on your cheek or fingernail, or get an electric shock to your finger. Dehydration. When your body's cells don't have enough water, your blood vessels tighten up. This happens because your brain sends a signal to your pituitary gland to release a chemical that shrinks them. And your kidneys make less pee, to hang on to the fluid you do have, which also triggers tiny blood vessels in your heart and brain to squeeze more. Hormonal birth control. Pills, injections, and other birth control devices use hormones that narrow blood vessels, so it's possible your blood pressure will go up. It's more likely to be a problem for women who are older than 35, overweight, or smokers. You may want to keep an eye on your blood pressure, checking every 6 to 12 months. A lower dose of estrogen may keep your numbers closer to normal. Antidepressants. Medicines that target brain chemicals like dopamine, norepinephrine, and serotonin, including venlafaxine, Effexor, monoamine oxidase inhibitors, MAOIs, tricyclic antidepressants, and fluoxetine, Prozac, Sarafem, can change not only your mood but also your blood pressure. Selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, might raise it if you're also taking lithium or other drugs that affect serotonin. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more.